In this video, we'll be looking for how to put hyperlink on other sheet. I have some text written on this sheet on the cell number 3. On this text, I want to put the hyperlink. After put the hyperlink on text, when I click on this, it's maybe get sheet number 3. So let's start. I put my circle on cell and put the hyperlink. I keep my cursor on cell and put the hyperlink. Just press Ctrl plus key K. You can see here text to display east and the type the cell reference A1. When you go on the second sheet with the hyperlink, then we go on the cell number A1. If you want to go on the any particular cell, you can enter here. You can write here which cell you want to go on by hyperlink. Okay. Here this is the second option you have to select place in the this document. Okay. Then or select a place in this document where you want to link your hyperlink. I want to link with the sheet number 3. Just select this and press OK. When you click on that is you get sheet number 3 A1. That's it. Thank you. Hope you understand. Please subscribe my channel and